Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful story of a couple who are retired now and they have also moved to gardening. So, yes, this is a story of Madhubalan and Suseela. Both are retired from agricultural department and they are staying in a village of Tamil Nadu. Being in a village, it is quite challenging to have lot of area to grow um, vegetables, fruits, or whatever they wanted to grow, or any plants. However, where there is a will, there is a way. It's a saying, right? So Sushila and his her husband Madhubalan has thought of having a terrace garden. So they have planned with something like waterproof farming. I mean, where there should be less water should be used, and they have invested also on this, and now they have more than 100 plants, and they've been helping people also how they can also grow more than 1,000 or whatever plants they can grow. So they have trained more than 100 families and many people free of cost. So after retirement, it's their full-time job to do this work. So nature has created us, and God has also created nature when he started creating this world. So I mean, many people are turning to nature, I mean, to growing uh, this garden, terrace garden, and all these. From past 3 days, I've been searching the stories and I've been getting these stories, and that too in India. So why not you also can involve yourself in growing plants or growing more and more greenery. It is good for environment also and for your own well-being also, right? So today I have a very very simple and beautiful wellness mantra, and the wellness mantra is um, I mean, we all want money in our life, right? How much we deny, but the fact is, we want money. No matter how much you want, you will never receive whatever you want. Yes, that's the fact. I mean, it's a hard fact. However, that is, what is the meaning of law of attraction? Attraction means you need to attract. You need to be a magnet for everything. So, how you can be a magnet for everything? Even if you will run behind, if you will chase, right? So, you will not be able to attract anything. These people who are doing all these things, if you have seen, even after retirement, they are earning something, they are getting some coverage also in media everywhere. I mean, you can search on Google, you will get their names, and they are becoming public figures by doing something which they like. What are they doing? They are giving something. That's the simple calculation. No matter whatever rings you wear, no matter whatever metal you wear, no matter whatever you do, even if you don't wear anything, and if you just give your services, if you just feel that I have this passion and I will contribute this to the society, then you will definitely reap the rewards. That is the wellness mantra, and that is the secret for attracting money or anything in your life. When you contribute, you can attract anyone, right? We are seeing that people are attracting partners much younger to them, even male female both, when they become famous, when they get fame. How they get fame? Have you asked the how? Have you seen the journey? They have decided something to contribute towards the society. They have never thought of money. Money is just a part and parcel of the flow. I mean, they just thought of contribution. So you also think about contribution, and in all the famous books, everywhere nowadays, astrologers also have started saying it is all on your contribution, that how much you receive. So keep on contributing, keep on sharing. So you keep on attracting more and more money, right? So thank you so much. Thanks a lot for giving so much love to my videos and for sharing it with everyone. Please share it with as many people as you can, because it may motivate someone and it can change anyone's life. And keep on sharing these wellness mantras. No matter you never know whose life can be changed just by one wellness mantra, because you never know what resonates with you or what resonates with others. So right, so thanks a lot, thank you so much, and and gratitude always. Bye bye.